Hello everyone, I'm Ananya Mariam Rajesh, the Associate Sub-Editor at Fibre2Fashion, and today we have with us Sandeep Rohilla, the Head of Marketing for Bhilosa. Hi sir, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
One of the first questions I would like to ask here is about, Bhilosa at Bharat Tex and the theme that's playing around here this time.
This theme purely, if you see it, it's Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are focusing on that part. And the growth history of textiles is almost, is going rapidly up. Demand is going up. With the support of the governments also, some exports benefits are there. People are looking towards doing exports also. Bangladesh, nearby countries, I will not take name, but nearby countries are disturbed with exports. So India is getting edge on the other countries. So exports are, there are chances exports goes very high in the coming days.
And China Plus One strategy is accelerating
Vietnam,
it.
Bangladesh, they have a little bit of indisturbances. So the orders are coming to India.
Okay. Are you seeing more order books for the next few months?
Very, very high. Because of these, this war is going on. It stops and goes, and then the crude is not available. Then the polyester industry is always, in a tight position always.
Yes.
So the prices are going up. Even today, as if we count today, China prices are higher than Indian prices as of now.
Definitely.
So they are not able to export it because their demand is also very good. Their refineries are stopped because of crude and all that. So Hormuz is closed, so crude is not reaching the place. So India is having little advantage of the political also issues. So we are doing good. As India, we are doing good.
Since you've touched on the geopolitical aspect, how has tariffs or the trade war or the war in itself impacted?
Tariff, of course, the tariff is creating a little issues for the India. But yesterday, Minister was here only. He said, "इसको problem को opportunity समझो." बहुत अच्छा word उन्होंने बोला गिरिराज सिंह जी ने. आप other option ढूंढो. Why you are dependent on US? You search other countries, other options. And of course, people have searched other options also. That's really good. The day it's US का tariff का जो भी issues अगर खुलेगा, तो India के buyers, suppliers के पास there will be added advantage. US plus other countries also. Everybody is trying to get other options.
And what about that UK FTA, EU FTA? UK FTA.
They have done 2 days back. UK also they have done with the wonderful with the New Zealand also. New Zealand also, right? So these are all positive aspects. The people are searching for other countries, and India is growing. Of course, textile is a purely laborious job, right? It's a labor-oriented job, and India we have sufficient labor. That's why our textile industry is on vertical move.
Got it. And in the next, say, few months or few years, do you think consumer is being impacted by the cost due to geopolitical, and that's impacting textiles?
Of course. It's impacting everyone.
Okay.
It's everyone. The energy is going up. All, oil, chemical, paper tube, everything, cartons, box, everything is going up. Almost you can say these plus other parts, there is a significant 10 to 15% difference is there.
Got it. And when you also look at, say, the larger picture for the next 5 years, how is Bhilosa placed in the textile industry?
Such, as I told you, the growth history is, I see around 10 to 50% every time rooms are coming up, knitting some machines are coming up, a lot of capital goods are inflowing in India. So demand is expected fantastic. We do have a major expansion plan in the coming years.
Yeah.
We'll come up with our new machines also. They are seeing a very good after coming 4-5 years.
Any key innovations you can name that's happening at Bhilosa?
We as the government, putting up day by day pressure on the environment.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult to dye the fabrics and make by the natural dyeing that the extra water seepage is there. So instead to overcome this, we have started producing more dope dyed color. Means that dope dyed is basically in the chemical sectors only we add chemicals in it. And that you can see the segment there, that's new product segment if you want to cover it. We have made all super micro products for the bath mat, carpet, so they are using these products only as of now.
Okay.
So we have started supplying injection mold colored yarn to the industry to overcome this extra seepage of the water.
Got it. And now that you've touched upon sustainability maybe a bit, for the EU, with the DPP and EPR, the Digital Product Passport and Extended Producer responsibility. How is Bhilosa
Bhilosa,
kind of
of
working?
course, there are many areas where Bhilosa is doing sustainability. We have the recycling of the water plant also here, and many other places are there. So to name a long list, but we are of course doing it.
Yeah. And any new products that's come out in the recent
Yeah,
years?
I told you that segment. You can see the photographs. There are many
Yes.
products we have done. We have done for the dairy industry, socks in industry. We are doing supplying dyed yarn. We are doing
Okay.
stretch yarn. We have super coarse denier in microfilament. We have started doing dyed yarns. It's very
Okay.
difficult
Yes,
in India.
definitely.
The same. We are the I think pioneer. Second, or maybe one or two people are there in this field.
One of the last question is, sir,
Yeah.
India in the value chain, we have today brands, we today have, the raw material, the sourcing. So where do you see India as and a fully integrated
Very right question.
system?
I mean, a few years back, no, Indian machineries was not capable of producing quality products. Now, as a Bhilosa, we have started focusing. Our chairman message very clear: make of best of the machines in the world availability. We have plant of best options, producing top quality, low cost. The new machines with the low cost always, right?
Yes.
Of course, machine cost is very high, but you produce the top quality products. So we are competing in the world now.
Got it.
And in India, I'm hopeful, not Bhilosa, every industry is making wonderful products and we can compete the entire world. Don't worry.
Got it. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Nice talking
Thank
to
you.
you.
It's a nice
Thank
meeting
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.